الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة مريم وما نتنزل إلا بأمر ربك له ما بين أيدينا وما خلفنا وما بين ذلك وما كان ربك نسيا رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما فاعبده واصطبر لعبادته هل تعلم له سميا. Translation. And we angels do not descend down except by command of your Rabb. Unto him belongs all that is before us and what is behind us, and that is in between those two. And your Rabb is never forgetful, Rabb of the heavens and earth and all what is between them. So you worship him and be steadfast with patience in his service. Do you know someone that is similar to him? On one occasion, Jibreel alayhi salam did not come to Prophet Muhammad salam for several days. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam began to feel concerned and apprehensive, wondering why the revelation had been delayed for so long. The disbelievers also started to ask Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that what happened? Your Rabb had left you alone, ma'azallah. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked Jibreel alayhi salam when he came to him, "What prevents you from visiting us more frequently?" Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala responded with this ayah where we studied that we do not descend except by the command of your Lord. Thus, Jibreel alayhi salam made it clear that this is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when to come and when not to come. Neither Jibreel nor any other angel possesses the authority to act independently. They descend only when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in accordance with His wisdom, commands them to do so. Everything belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What lies before us, what lies behind us, and whatever is in between the two. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala possesses the complete knowledge of the past, the present, and the future, as well as everything in the heavens and earth and all that exists between them. Nothing whatsoever is hidden from Him. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows precisely when revelation should be sent to His Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam and when there should be an interval in revelation. Therefore, even the delay in Jibreel arrival was itself based on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's perfect wisdom and his great purpose. The verse teaches that one should never lose hope, even when circumstances appear difficult and no immediate way forward is visible. The servant's duty is to continue acting upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's commands and to place his trust in Him. A person may, through forgetfulness or human weakness, fail to recognize Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's wisdom in a particular moment. But this does not mean that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has forgotten him. Allah never forgets. Everything, the past, the present, and the future, is completely within His knowledge and control. Since Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is alone the Lord, creator, sustainer, and sovereign of all creation, the command naturally follows to worship Him and remain steadfast in His worship. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the Lord of the heavens and the earth and whatever is between them. The expression used here conveys more than simply perform an act of worship. It calls for patience, perseverance, consistency, and steadfastness in servitude to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. A person should therefore remain firm upon obedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala regardless of difficulties, opposition, or changing circumstances. Every person will ultimately receive the consequences of his own deeds. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the Rabb. Is there anyone comparable to Allah? Is there anyone who possesses attributes like his, there is none who can be his equal, his counterpart, or his peer. Therefore, the one who is absolutely unique in his lordship, knowledge, power, wisdom, mercy, and perfection is also the one who alone deserves to be worshipped with complete devotion and steadfastness. Let's pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.